Welcome to the Hcj Builder, a template developed by MadLearn to introduce students to coding. The Hcj Builder uses three common coding languages to create more exciting screens: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To begin, find and add the Hcj Builder template. Add it as you would any other. Next, click the green Open Template button to get started. Notice the three coding editors, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, open a new tab on your browser and go to an open source code hosting site like codepen.io. Here you can search for different types of functionality. We'll look for a timed quiz by putting that in the search window and selecting a sample. Notice that the three coding languages are given for the function. For each set, select all and copy the code. Then paste each into the matching code editing box. Now click Save, then Run to preview the screen. Be sure to do it in this order. You can now change the content, but keep the functionality by editing those parts of the code that you've imported. More on this in Part 2. Finally, be sure to save it. Don't just import existing codes, customize them. Let's use some existing codes available in the Unit 4 resources to create some screens for an app about guitars. For the sake of demonstration, we've selected screens that show date and time, a timed quiz, a trading card screen, and an animated background. Here's the original code for an active clock and calendar. If you want to add text, just create the source code in the HTML field. Here's the code for a timed quiz about US history. Change the content elements to make it a quiz about your topic. The trading card template provides a more interesting display. Find and edit the content elements like you did for the quiz template. Animated background codes usually include content and ordering. Edit and change the position by editing both content and the order. Adding code-based screens can be as simple or as sophisticated as you want to make them. You're limited only by your imagination. So have fun!